Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to delete the exported photo from Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, go to your app shelf. Now, from here, open your gallery. Now once you're in your gallery, locate the Snapseed folder. Now once you're in the Snapseed folder, select the photos that you want to delete. And once you have selected all the photos that you want to delete, click on delete option at the bottom menu. And the option will vary from phone to phone. As you can see, the delete option is at the bottom menu. I'm going to click on delete. And again, I'll have to click on delete to delete the photos from this folder. And just like that, we have deleted photos from Snapseed folder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.